Good morning. Today in this module, let us discuss about the applications of operational amplifier. Here, the three operational amplifiers are the one is integrator, differentiator, comparator, etc. First, let us discuss about what is integrator. The integrator is nothing but this integrator we can use in the applications of measurement and control. Okay, here integrator means the output signal is the time integral of its input signal. Okay? And this will accumulate the input quantity over a defined time, okay, in order to produce the representative output. So here the integration is very important part of many engineering and scientific applications. So coming to this integrator, first the output is the integration of the input voltage. Let us consider the integral circuit, integrated circuit. Okay, here the feedback we have connected the capacitor, feedback capacitor, and that is represented by CF. So in the non-inverting terminal is grounded and it is given as B. Therefore, the voltage potential at the node B, BB is equal to 0. Then as per the concept of virtual ground, we know that the two input terminals are the same potential. So in the inverting terminal, we have given the input voltage through the resistor R1, and the voltage at the node A, that is represented as VA. Since VB is equal to 0, automatically according to the concept of virtual ground, VA is also 0. Then for this purpose integrator, first we will apply a Kirchhoff's current law, and first we want to calculate the I1 from the integrator circuit. So if you see here in the integrator, we are going to calculate I1. So I1 is equal to, how we can write, V by R. Therefore V in minus VA divided by R1. But as per the virtual concept, VA is equal to 0. Therefore, V in minus 0 divided by R1. Therefore, I1 we will get V in divided by R1. It is the I1 current. Then followed by this, we need to calculate the feedback current IF. Okay. So, if you see the circuit IF, we can see the IF is current is flowing from the node A towards through the capacitor, feedback capacitor CF, and it reaches to the output terminal, that is pin number 6. Okay, so this capacitor CF is called as feedback capacitor, and we have to calculate or find out what is feedback current. So now this IF can be written as CF into differentiation of VA, voltage at node A, minus output voltage divided by dt. And we know that VA is equal to 0. So this VA is equal to 0 as per the virtual ground concept. Therefore, we can write CF into D of 0 minus V naught divided by dt. Therefore, IF is equal to minus CF into differentiation of output voltage with respect to time. Okay, so these are now this is the output of integrator output. Here the operational amplifier input current is 0. That means I1 passes through RF as feedback current, that is IF. Therefore I1 is equal to IF. Therefore already we calculated I1 is equal to V in by R1 by substituting that value V in by R1, and IF we calculated as minus CF into dV naught by dt. Therefore, V in by R1 is equal to minus CF into dV naught by dt. Okay. Now, if you cross multiply this, we can rearrange the above equation. dV naught divided by dt is equal to minus B in divided by R1 into CF. Now what we have to, since the output is the integration of the input value, so here in the previous expression we proved that differentiation, that is dv naught divided by dt is equal to minus Vn divided by R1 into Cf. Now we are going to integrate the both side of the above equation with respect to time. Therefore integral of dv naught by dt into dt is equal to minus 1 divided by R1 into Cf into integral V in into dt. Now we, after integrating dv naught by dt into dt, we will get it as V naught. Therefore minus 1 by R1 Cf is the constant value, and we write the integral of V in into dt. So in the starting of this integrator, the main application of the integrator is it can be used in measurement and control applications, and this integrator will play a vital role in the engineering field as well as in the scientist oriented work. Okay, therefore this we defined that integrator will produce us the integrated output of integrated value of input signal with respect to time. So what we have defined will be, we can compare with this expression. Therefore output V naught is equal to minus 1 divided by R1 into Cf. R1 is the resistor which is connected to the non-inverting terminal, and Cf is the feedback capacitor which is connected in the feedback network from the node A to, and it is connected to the output. Okay. Now this is the one of the application of our operational amplifier. So hope everybody understood the concept of this integrator. Followed by this integrator, let us discuss about the differentiator as well as the comparator, then voltage follower. So these are the basic main applications of operational amplifier circuit. Okay, thank you.